Hey adventurers, we took the scenic route for this one. Left Tennessee, cruised up through Kentucky, going through a sliver of Illinois, and landed in
Branson, Missouri. It's full of charm, surrounded by beauty, and yes, there's another timeshare involved. But this one, let's just say,
it wasn't exactly our favorite. More on that in a sec, but don't worry, we're going to show you all the good stuff around it because the area is stunning.
Plus, we discovered a restaurant so good, it still gets brought up in random dinner conversations. Like, remember that place in Branson? Yeah.
Oh, we remember.
Okay, full honesty here. We're usually big fans of timeshare stays, but this one,
Let's just say it wasn't exactly adventurepreneurs approved. Just a glimpse to show you that full-time travel isn't always glamorous. So we're skipping the room tour this time for a bit of showing you the gorgeous Branson scenery instead.
But this little cafe we found, absolute gold. The girls gave it a unanimous vote for best food stop for this trip so far.
It had everything. A cute atmosphere, check. Incredible food, check. And most importantly, boba, check.
Seriously, they were sold the moment they saw the boba. And then the kids' meal came out, looking like it belonged on some cooking show. That's like the fanciest kids' meal I've ever seen. Plated like it was gonna win an award or something. I kinda wanted to frame it.
We gave the chef high praise and even got to thank him in person when he came out to check on us. Sweetest guy, truly humble, and said he would just truly loves what he does. And let me tell you, it shows.
We hit up this cute, fun little outdoor mall for some birthday shopping, and it had the cutest shops and the most beautiful river running behind it.
We found a personalized sign store, and for once, they almost spelled all of our names right.
Great effort, sign people. You deserve a medal. We even found one for our dog Max. Thinking of you, buddy. Hope you're living your best life with Annalie. See you soon.
Oh, and there was this giant chair. Well, you already know what happened.
You can't not take a photo. It's the law. Then after some waiting and foot-size debates, we finally got Eden her birthday present. Yep, Doc Martens.
She'd been asking for them for a while, but we wanted to make sure her feet weren't about to go through a growth spurt and turn them into hand-me-downs.
But now, looking back, best decision ever. She still wears them every single day, even 2 years later. Definitely a win.
It finally happened. Halloween arrived, and we hit the town adventurepreneur style.
Costumes? Thrown together last minute? Because, well, that's how we roll.
We went back to the same mall for a community trick-or-treat bash, and it did not disappoint.
Of course, there was another round of giant chair picks, too, because, well, let's face it, once a big chair family, always a big chair family.
So here's the scoop. Drove through 4 states, check. Stayed at the timeshare we try not to mention since we found this guy. Yep, our first ever bed bug, check. Ate the best kids meal of all time, check. Did some epic birthday shopping, check. Got Eden her dream boots, check. Celebrated Halloween on the fly, check. And took not one, but like 20 giant chair photos, check.
Sometimes the best trips are the ones with a little mystery, a lot of heart, and a surprising amount of candy.
If you're loving this cross-country chaos, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss where we're headed next.
We're not done yet. There's still plenty of road ahead, and maybe even a few more giant chairs. Honestly, as long as I never have to meet another bedbug again, I'm good. Adventurepreneurs out.
This, which is not peace, it's war.